Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Calvin Klein. If you don't have a Calvin Klein account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get extra 50% off sale. Once you click on our link, you will be directed to his page. At the upper right part, you will see a profile icon. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Create Account. Click on Create Account. Now, under the Create Account section, enter the email and password you wish to use. Then if you're already a Calvin Klein Preferred Loyalty member, enter your membership ID on the field provided. After entering all the required information, click on Register. Next, enter your personal information such as the first name, last name, address, gender, and birthday. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for Calvin Klein. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.